Hello and welcome to tutorial number 25 in the Microsoft Visual Basic .NET programming tutorials. In this tutorial, well, it's going to be a follow-up of the last tutorial. I actually got a few questions about how you would make an application to use the emailing code. So first of all, if you have not watched tutorial number 24, please watch it right now and then go back to this, because I'm assuming that you already have this code here typed. So I've got a bit of a cough. But anyway, if you have this code typed and this sorted, then you're ready to go. Okay, so we learned in one of the early tutorials about variables and how you could use them in place of a string or anything like that. And you can actually use the text inside the text box in place of a string too. So say in here where it says mail.subject, we could use textbox1.text, or mail.to, we could use textbox1.text. That's what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be really easy. It's just something that some people don't really understand, and hopefully by going over this they will. So make your phone a bit bigger and change the text to email application. We'll change it to Gmail emailing application, and we're going to change the form border style to fixed tool window just because it looks cool. Okay, now the first thing we're going to need to do is add a text box for our content. So go ahead and add the text box, and up here this arrow, click it and click multi-line and then change it to make it big, and then add two more text boxes. The first one is going to be for the username, and the second one is going to be for the password. So just add a label, one for username, and one for password. Okay, so now we're going to use these text boxes inside our mail. So first of all, we'll click on this text box and we'll go to the name, and the name is textbox1. So to refer to the text inside this text box, we'll be typing textbox1.text. So we'll look on our mail on here, and on mail.body it says this is an ownage email using vb.net. So you're going to delete this including quotations and type textbox1.text. Okay, so what this is going to do is it's going to take the text inside textbox1, which is this text box, and use it as the mail body. Okay, so now we're going to use textbox2, which is name is here, and textbox3 for our username and password. And the first thing we're going to do for password is, if you go to the properties, look at password car, and which is character, and change it to the star sign. I was asked about this also in a question, so I just thought I'd cover it here. So anyway, once you've done that, you're now going to use for your username textbox2.text, and for the password textbox3.text. So double click send email, and where it says mail to, you're going to remember delete the quotations. You do not need quotations, and change it to textbox2.text, because that is the text box that contains our email. And then again here, the mail.from textbox2.text, and where we have username in SMTP credentials, change this to textbox2.text. And then if we go back and look at the password field, textbox3, we change this to textbox3 here, the password one. And what this is going to do is, this is going to do the exact same thing that the previous tutorial taught you how to do, but it's going to use text boxes in place of actual set strings. So you could use this to send an email and make it say whatever you want. You could also change the email it's going to be sent to by adding another text box. You need to use your imagination to do that. Hopefully by at the end this tutorial helps you understand what this actually does and how it works, so you'll be able to send an email to another email by yourself. And if you have trouble with that, just leave a comment and I'll help you. So yeah, this has just been a short tutorial on how to create your own emailing application. It's just a little follow-up of the last application. And if you have any questions, as I said, please leave a comment. If you have any tutorials, leave a comment. Sorry, if you have any requests for tutorials, leave a comment. I'm really tired right now, it's 3 AM. And also, if you have any suggestions, leave a comment too. So just rate the video and subscribe. Rate the video and subscribe. And here's our password field. It shows as stars. Okay, thanks for watching and see you later.